Hello friends, today we're going to look at dual screen setup in Windows 10. Sometimes when there's a power outage or your computer has been disconnected and reconnected, your monitors don't orientate correctly. For example, I'm going to take this control panel window and try to move it over from left to right, but I can't. However, if I move it over from left all the way over, it will appear on my right hand screen. Also, my desktop icons are set on my right screen rather than my left by default. Let's correct this. Anywhere on a desktop, I'm going to right click, go to display settings. I'm going to take one of my monitor icons here and click it, drag it over, align it, and release the mouse. Click apply. I'm going to click identify so that I know I have the right screens. I want 2 to be my default monitor where my icons are displayed. So I'm going to scroll down since 2 is selected. I'm going to click make this my main display, and that should do it. Let's take a look. Now my control panel window moves over from left to right properly, and my desktop icons are aligned on the left monitor as I wanted. If you found this video helpful, please do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Have a good one.